During a routine inspection of our pool, we discovered that we had some severe leaks in the exterior gutters of the pool. So we had B&B Pools come out and give us a comprehensive overview of what else needed to be done, since we were going to have to take the pool out of service for a good month. They took a look at everything, and we decided to go ahead and replace the exterior gutters that fed into the main drain because our water bill was extremely high, and that was due to the leaking gutters. We also had the pool re-diamond graded, had new tile put on, and then also replaced some of the equipment that was feeding into the pool pumps, some other things as well. So I've had a relationship with Brian from B&B for a few years now, know him very well, and he's actually done some work in my home. Did a great job there, so I had him come out to give us a quote on doing everything that needed to be done. I had some other companies come in as well, but just felt the customer service from B&B was superior. Also, the time frame that they felt that they could finish the work was in accordance to what we needed. Anytime you take a pool out of service at a 4-diamond hotel, you have issues with guests, especially during busy season. So prior to us taking the pool out of service, we need to make sure that we can get it back in service before our busy time, which is the beginning of the year. So B&B Pools came and promised that they could have the job done within 3 weeks, which was unbelievable that they could accomplish that. But they did keep people here pretty much 24/7 until the job was done. As far as recommendations are concerned, I've already recommended B&B Pools to some other of our corporate entities. I've recommended them to our company, B&B Development, who is based out of Louisiana, and they have several hotels in South Florida, 3 of which will be going through some kind of pool renovation soon. So I've already reached out to the GMs as well as the project coordinator with our company, letting them know how good of a job that B&B Pools has done for us.